Okay. So I took two small trades today off of both indices, the ES and the Nasdaq, because it showed me some pretty clear signs I needed to get in, and I was playing the upside, but there's so much selling pressure today and the week before. Pretty contrarian point of view, but if I see my opportunity presented, you have to take it. So let's just show the trades I took today. The first trade, it was the Qs, 128, sorry, $128 from that trade. It was 9 minutes, had two contracts. Second trade, it was pretty short. It only took me about 2 to 3 minutes, and I made $103 from that. So $231 profit for today, Monday, July 1st. And I'll show why I got into these trades. So first of all, let's go to the overall picture. Let's put this in the 1 hour. So Nasdaq and ES, very range bound, as you can see right here. Two very range bounds. That looks so ugly. It could never get past its range. It was in a tight consolidation. I knew that. And also we had this nasty wick rejection right here, just the prior day on both. So, I thought more selling could come into the market too. And that's exactly what we saw in the start of the day. We saw it based and then sold right off, and then came right off this demand and sold right off again. So here's exactly what I did. I have my demand zone over here, so I'm going to show you where it stems from. Let's maximize. I'll show you where it stems from. So this zone over here, it stems from this previous resistance, came down over here, found support, came into this previous resistance, rallied above it, and came back into it. So then when it came back into it, I knew this was a pretty clean level for break and retest, and that's exactly what I had on Nasdaq. So after this sell-off, we opened up over here, and then let me make this easier. So then we sold off right here, and this is exactly where I entered with a pretty easy stop loss right below it over here. And then we had the move go up higher, and I took profits right around over here because this was previous resistance, low of day resistance. And that was a good thing because the market dropped immediately after that. But then after it broke the zone over here, it kind of invalidated it. But then we have ES over here, the S&P 500. As you can see right here too, it's range bound, but this was a very, very key break and retest level over here. It showed support, so it showed resistance over here, and it showed support over here. Support, support, support. I mean, I guess you could count this as support. Support over here too. Okay, so it's a very strong zone, and I was patient with this. It undercut the zone really, really bad. So we had the zone over here, and it showed immense selling pressure, and it came right back up as indicated by this wick over here, showing that buyers were present. And not only that, but this is a pretty clear liquidity sweep. I was just thinking in my mind before taking this trade, this could be a liquidity sweep, so don't wait, don't just try to wait for the move to happen. Let's just wait for the sweep to happen, because there's a bunch of orders over here. It was pretty obvious that there's stop losses right over here. Sweep the stop losses, fuel the move higher. And that's what I got in over here. I entered, let's put this here, I entered right around here, set my stop below over here after I saw this wick candle, and then I caught the move over here. So that was a pretty easy 8 to 20, that was 12 points right there. Had a really good risk to reward ratio. I don't anticipate much more from the market. It can move down, it can move up. For the rest of the day, I really don't care. I just got my profits. What was my profits? 231 for the day. So yeah, I'm happy with that. It's July 4th is on Thursday, so the market's gonna be closed then. But a 10-minute trade, a 2-3 minute trade. This is what we do it for. Made up for last week. I feel much more confident in my trades now. And when I was in the trade too, I didn't really feel much drawdown. I didn't even have any drawdown at all. So yeah, just happy with the trades, happy with the execution. I took my time on these, and yeah, just brick by brick, we'll build this shit up.